So we're here today to do a video on our lockbox for cleaning and replacement parts. So we'll start by removing it. Now you can remove your whole head holder, but to make life easy for yourself, it's a little bit easier if you just remove your lockbox, your shaft and your lockbox. So you do that by removing your top bolt that goes through your top your shaft, the top of your shaft. And then there's a bolt that holds the bottom plate of the lockbox. You need to remove it. And then you need to remove this handle. It makes it a lot easier to take the box off. And there's your lockbox. So now we'll put the lockbox on the table and we'll start dismantling and show you the workings of it. And now we're going to assemble it back onto our head holder. So normally the first thing I do is I start by mounting my top shaft, and that's 1/2 by 2.5 inch bolt. Just putting that on so it doesn't fall out on you. Now you got a nice little pivot there. So the next thing you do is take your profile of the back of your lockbox, stick it in that hole, and that's a 1/2 by 2 inch bolt. So you can see it's a little bit easier with two guys to do this. Put your steel lock nut on the back. And now you got to reassemble your handle. So that's your release cam there. And it just slides in that little slot there. That's your release cam. And it just slides in that little slot, just like that. And you line it up with that hole. So this is our final bolt. This is our long 5-inch bolt. And there's a profile here, and this tube slides over that slot. Line it up at the hole. Put your steel lock nut on. And there you have it. So now we'll just tighten up our bolts. So I'm going to tighten this one up, but I'm going to take note of something here. So this handle needs to float freely. because that's part of your push-pull system. So what you don't want to do is to cinch this up so tight that that won't freely float. So just be mindful of that. There, that should be good. Thank you very much for joining us today. We hope this was helpful for you, and if you have any further questions or problems in the field, please be free to give our client care team a call, and they're more than willing to help. Thank you.